자꾸 몇 번씩 굴려 좀 기다려줄래 어떻게 난 말려든 것만 같아 너의 밀당 게임 오더라도 뜸들일래 나를 기다리
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese style cucumber salad. So it's very similar with Korean, but it is not. So okay, let's get started. I tasted this in Taiwan, it was amazing. So I'm gonna make the dressing first. So you will need 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. So today I used the Chinese light soy sauce, and this is light in color, not light in sodium. You can use any soy sauce you have in your house as long as it's not the thick black or soy sauce are black. But I mean thick, sweet, dark soy sauces, okay? So any regular soy sauce will work for this recipe. 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Whisk everything together until sugar has completely dissolved. Okay, after the sugar has all dissolved, you can tell the dressing is actually a little thickened, and this is what we want. All right, now I'm going to chop 1 clove of garlic. I want the garlic to be super duper fine, almost like paste-like, so this way the garlic flavor will melt in the dressing really equally and evenly. And then chop 1 shallot. This shallot is spicy. Ah, spicy! Knife through one more time the shallot. So the chopped garlic and shallot add into the dressing. And now it's time for the cucumber. So cutting cucumber, you can cut however you want to, but this is a really cool trick to cook the cucumber, like how the Chinese cucumber salad made. So what you do is cut off, the edge of the cucumber first, then grab one bite. Where am I looking at it? Grab one by one. So I'm using Persian cucumber because they are nice and thin. The seeds are very tiny. You can even taste it, like the cucumber seed burp kind of thing. That was unnecessary talking. Persian. I'm using Persian cucumber. I'm using Persian cucumber because they're nice and small. The skins are pretty thin, so we don't have to peel it out. And these are very close taste to Asian cucumbers. That's why I'm using it. So first, what we need to do is actually smash them down with a side, this wide part of the knife. Smash down like thinking of the person who makes you angry. Just like this. And then cut them into third or about 1 inch long and just separate them a little bit. As you can see, this is very aggressive cucumber cutting skill technique. But if you don't feel comfortable using knife, definitely use maybe like a rolling pin for your baking, that will work, or heavy bottom pan, or meat tenderizer that's not the spiky part but the flat part, that will definitely work for this. One thing you cannot forget is thinking about the person you don't like. Smash them and chop them up. This is why cooking is so stress relief. Okay, and this is a personal preference. Before you add this into the dressing, I like to kind of break down a little bit, and if some of the seeds came out like this, then I just, toss it. They will only make this salad only watery, and you don't want that. So this one is actually looks pretty good. Sometimes I have to, sometimes I don't. It's really depending on the cucumber's condition. But this one is pretty good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to the dressing. It looked like I added a little extra shallot today. I think the shallot was a little bigger than the one that I used before. So anyway, so make sure you use 1 small shallot or maybe half of the large shallot. Yeah, I mean, this is it, guys. It's so simple and easy to make. It is amazing for your barbecue party or when you're doing potluck. perfect side dish that goes well with anything and everything, and your little kids can enjoy it too because it's not spicy and it's like nice and sweet and sour and soy sauce and garlic. So a lot of you guys asked me who is Hanyul, even though we introduced a couple of times, we will introduce again.
Who is he, by the way?
Hanyul Kim is a son that was hiding from you.
Yeah.
Somebody said that?
Yeah.
What?
No, I'm just joking. He is my nephew,
Nephew.
not son. He's not my son, he's my nephew, my older sister's son, okay? He's my new assistant. He's hired. He's actually pretty good at it. And so,
He's
yeah.
still on his probation period.
Okay, guys, let's try the cucumber salad. So this is a side dish. I should have a little other stuff to eat with, but
But you don't?
it's very refreshing.
Sweet. So good.
And that sesame oil forever. So good.
This rice and any meat?
And crunch. This is like a summertime barbecue must salad recipe that you have to have it.
Anytime barbecue.
Okay. Guys, if you liked my simple, easy cucumber salad recipe, the Chinese style, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Sorry, I have a cucumber in my mouth right now. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house. Don't do that with chopstick. This is rude.
Okay.
Do like if you're gonna do like this. No, not one finger. We serve you. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
I'm Jacob Longest.
And I'm Hanyul Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. Make sure you take a picture of the food or the recipe that you tried from my recipes and tag me Seonkyoung Longest on Instagram and Facebook so I can like, comment, and reshare. Love you guys. See you next time.
Bye.
la